Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to get a line count of a file. So guys, basically we can easily get the total number of lines in a file using below steps. The very first thing is we have to open the file in the read only mode, and then we will be using the for loop in order to iterate through the file line by line, and after each iteration we need to return 1 to the sum function that we are going to use, and then we will be finding the sum of the returned values over here. So guys, the logic is when we are reading the file line by line, we are going to return just 1 as the number, and then the sum of all those numbers will be count of the lines in the file. So let us check this with the help of the example in the VS Code over here. So we will be using the open function in order to open the file in the read mode over here. So it takes the entire directory path in this case in order to open the file. So basically we will be using this test file over here. As you can see, this is the test file, and then if you see this, how many lines are present? So if you check the content of this file, there are 1 2 3 4 5, and then this is a blank line which is 6, and then we have another line that is 7. So total 7 lines are present inside this file. So let us check this. So over here we will just paste the directory path of that file, and then followed by the file name, that is test.txt. So we have the file name. We also need to escape these backslash characters over here. So we will simply provide another backslash character at each instance of the backslash character. So guys, over here we are using the open method in order to open the file in the read only mode by default, and then on the left hand side we can simply give the variable name, that is file in this case. So guys, now we can refer to this variable name, that is file, in order to read the content of this file. So what we will be doing is we will use the for loop and then the variable L, which represents line in this case, and then in keyword followed by file. So guys, basically this file variable is having the entire file content, and we are reading one line at a time and storing it in L. And then guys, what we have to return is just 1 over here. So before this for, we will have the 1 value in this case, and then this entire thing, that is this particular statement, needs to be enclosed in the brackets, and we have to apply the sum function over here. So guys, basically this is the sum function, and inside this we are having the list comprehension over here, and each time it is returning 1 whenever it is reading the single line inside this file that we have just opened. So guys, after finding the sum, we can get the number of lines inside the file. So on the left hand side we can simply provide a number of lines in this case, that is the variable name. So over here we have got the number of lines inside the file, and then we can simply print this value. So we can say number of lines in file, and then followed by colon, and then we can simply use the variable name, that is number of lines over here. Let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got number of lines in file, it is equal to 7 in this case. If we open this file once again just to verify the count of the lines over here, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7. Guys, what if we remove these 2 lines from here inside this file? So I'll just remove these 2 lines, and then the total number of lines right now is 5 over here. Let me just save and close this file, and let us run this code once again. This time we should get the output as 5 over here. So when I run this code again, it says number of lines in file, it is equal to 5. So guys, basically this is the way in order to get the count of the lines inside the file that you are trying to read. Please make sure that you practice on your own, so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to find all file with a .txt extension that is present inside a directory. So stay tuned.